At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, can indeed provide asset protection for your personal assets in certain situations. Here's a general guide on how to set up an LLC for asset protection. 1. Research state laws. LLC laws vary by state, so start by researching the specific requirements and regulations in the state where you want to form your LLC. Some states may offer better asset protection than others. 2. Choose a name. Choose a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming requirements. Typically, the name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with the Secretary of State or equivalent department in your state. This document typically includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's advisable to draft an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of the LLC. It can also include provisions related to asset protection, such as restrictions on transferring ownership interests. 5. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN. You'll need an EIN from the IRS for tax purposes, even if your LLC has no employees. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 6. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated business bank account for your LLC. 7. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, you'll need to comply with ongoing requirements, such as filing annual reports, paying state fees, and maintaining proper records. 8. Consult with legal and financial professionals. Asset protection strategies can be complex, and the effectiveness of an LLC for asset protection can depend on various factors, including your specific situation and the laws in your state. Consider consulting with a qualified attorney and/or financial advisor who specializes in asset protection to ensure you're taking the right steps to protect your assets. Remember that while an LLC can provide limited liability protection, it's not a substitute for proper insurance coverage or other asset protection strategies. Additionally, it's essential to operate your LLC in compliance with state laws and maintain proper records to preserve its liability protection. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.